Now you can start with your optionals. Thank you, Divinity. Please give a round of applause for us.
At the outset, I'm very happy that yoga is also one of the sports which has come to Meghalaya and is just growing. As you can see, there are many children participating now, and thankfully for technology, now we have social media platform which can spread, and this sport is actually very, very important because it is also a very, you need a lot of mental balance and strength in this kind of game. Sports. So it is a fitness, and they normally have to start from a young age. So which is good, which is bringing discipline to the children. And I would encourage. I thank all the parents who are encouraging their children for Yogasana. And I'm very sure that our children can do a lot, at the national or international level. So you've just seen some 1 or 2 students here. They have already gone to the national level.
Because we are recent past, you've seen that this association is going very hard work to
Right.
and perform national level also very better.
So I'm very confident that this will also be included. I hope it will be included in the list of the national games. And it is a priority sport under the government of India also. And I'm hoping that it will perform well.
So how